What's up, motorcaders? This is TJ. Appreciate you stopping by and checking out the video. Before we go any further, hit that like and the subscribe button. Did you do it? Perfect. Let's get to the video. What's up, motorcaders? This is TJ. I'm on a service today. It's a little different. Here's the church right here. And the cemetery is probably a quarter of a mile that way. It's literally right down the street. So it's a very simple service, probably going to take about 3 or 4 minutes total, literally. What we're going to do today is I'm going to have one of the guys I'm training, one of our rookies, to actually lead this service. Since it's small enough, I'll be able to kind of put him in a situation where he can kind of lead it, and I can see how he handles it. So let's see how it goes. Yes, ma'am. What we're going to do as we, and I'll get him out of your way, as we're going to make this right and just take it really slow till we get to the gate, just so we can kind of get them all out of their spots. Gotcha. And just wait at that exit to the church, exit to the parking lot until my... So like up here? Yes. Okay. Yeah, just wait right there for us. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Do me a favor. We're going to be going out this way. Go ahead and pull off. Are you going to the cemetery? Yes. Okay, you can go ahead and pull off to the right and just pull to the side somewhere so they can get by you. Okay. Thank you. All right. No, you can do this one right here. This is fine. All right. She's been going real slow towards the front. And we'll let them kind of stack up there. You can go and kind of lead her out and just kind of stop there till I get up there with you. Hazard. Oh, I got it. I got you. On my way. Let her know we're going to keep it real slow the whole way. Oh, you already passed. I got it. Okay, go ahead and catch that. Whenever you're ready, we ready. Yeah, you got 2 full lanes. Stopped, you're good to go. And just hang with the lead car. Oh, here comes Xavier, so I'm coming up behind you. It's up to you whenever you want to go get that next light. What's wrong with where you stopped at? That's not the button. Yep, get out of that lane. Take your time with this one. You got plenty of time. Oh, and we got a green. Wonderful. Go ahead and hit your salute. I'm not going to be able to bump you. Did all those lanes get full behind you? If you ever have to do a salute like that in that position, I would hit the salute and then finish it up and then turn around and watch your back. You don't ever want your back turned to traffic like that. Yeah. Also, that's not the right spot for the right-hand turn. You position for them to go straight. Your bike's supposed to be turned to the right in front of that first lane. She don't know if she's supposed to go straight. Like, according to your bike, she should have went straight, if that's what she was going off of. Okay, go ahead and you can wrap that up or finish the salute. I'm going to just come around just to kind of demonstrate where it should have been at. So I want you in this lane, kind of right here. Like, this is where it should have been. And from here, you could have done the salute while facing them, and you could see them too. So this is where you should have been. Like, I shouldn't have even been able to see you from back there. And had I been able to bump you, then yeah, then you go around and hit the button right there to make that right-hand turn into the gate. So yeah, the biggest thing is really your positioning, kind of knowing where to go at every intersection. And every intersection is a little different. And just being able to assess it when you get to it and know where to go.